let's just connect with Mr. Bharat Madan. Mr. Madan, thank you so much for taking out time and joining us today on ET Now. To start with, what sort of pickup in tractor sales have you witnessed? They said that in the corresponding year, or rather in last year, rural was not that affected. But this year, the rural parts of India seem to have been affected a bit more due to the second wave. So how has, what sort of pressure, if any, have you seen? And in these last 40 to 50 days, what sort of recovery have you seen?
Yeah, I think you're right. So this time, obviously, second wave was more severe, and this had its impact on the real market too. So that's why when we went into the beginning of the year in April, May, so it was not a really good start, the way we were expecting it to be, and the momentum which we have seen till March. But luckily for us, I think the second wave subsided as quickly as it came. So that was actually not much still in the month of June. We started the pickup happening in the real market, and this is also since the spring season was on. So it's very important for us to catch this season, for the entire year to really look good on the industry side. So fortunately, the June actually happened to be a quite good month. And then again, we had some dip happening in the July because of the bad monsoon. The advancing happened very slow the first 2-3 weeks, but not really good for the monsoon, especially in the northern and western markets. So there we had some slowdown, but again, it was middle of July. Again, the monsoon pace also picks up and the sowing also picked up. So I think the demand started picking up there. So as of now, looks like the rural factors look all positive. Obviously, there will be always some regions and some areas where the rainfall is better, so the distribution of the growth may really get skewed towards those areas. But otherwise, all the factors on the rural side look all positive as of now.
Okay, I'm just looking at, Bharat, your domestic tractor market share, which has declined in the fourth quarter from the earlier 12.9% to 10.7%. I'm guessing some of the aberration could have also come in perhaps because of the second wave. But do you see things stabilizing moving forward?
No, so I won't look at it that way, Asha, because the way I think you have to look at year on year how the market should have performed, which has been flat actually. So because we have some skewness which happens towards the last 6 months of the year because of our strength in the northern market, So in the Rabi season, which is really good season for our stronger market, so we normally see a higher market share. And that has been the trend, I think, over a number of years now. So you'll always see Q4 market share, and that is 12, 13, 30 plus and plus. And the market share in the first 2 quarters of the year is normally low. So, but yes, we have been more or less flat at 10.7% market share compared to the last year, which is more or less same line. But I think in July, we have been able to gain market share. It's gone up in the first 4 months by about 0.5% now compared to the last year. And we still expect, I think the momentum which we have will continue. Last year, we had some concerns in the supply chain side, which this time so far have not been there. So hopefully we should be able to do much better compared to last year and the margin will improve.
Bharat, could things though pick up ahead of the festive, season? And in that light, are you already building up your inventory for that, anticipating a pickup come the festive season?
Yes, that's right. So that's what I think we've been doing. So obviously in the first quarter also, we have been able to build some inventory, and right now also the productions are all running at full peak, expecting a very strong demand in the month of September to November. October especially will be a very strong month in the very festive season. We are all hoping that there is no third wave, which basically hits the market at that time. But that's going to be the peak time for the tractor industry. But yes, the production continues to be there, and we'll all keep building the inventory till that time. And till September onward, we'll see the momentum should start setting in again.
Sure. Bharat, will you then stick to your guidance for low to mid single digit growth, or would you say that there is scope for a revision here?
So we'll rather wait for the monsoon to be over, because like I said, it all depends on how the distribution of monsoon is and which areas really see very good rainfall. So if you look at in the first quarter, the growth has been skewed towards the southern and western market, where we are not very strong there. So the northern market grew by almost 23%, while the southern western market has grown more than 50%. So that skewness has been there. So if you see a rainfall distribution to be the same manner what we've seen so far, then definitely the southern western market will actually see strong growth. So I will be able to really get a revised guidance maybe towards October, or maybe somewhere after the festive season over. The second half is a major contributor to the industry numbers, so that can actually change the trajectory. It can even be a higher growth or maybe a flat number. So that really great for that period.
Okay, Bharat, good luck for the future quarters. I'm sure we'll chat again soon. Good to have you on the show. On that note, we're going to take a very quick break. We're still absolutely flat for the index, not doing anything right now. Idea, though, is the star today, as unusual as it may sound, holding up 12.5%. Tata Chem, GAIL, Innocent, REC as well, added in the list of movers as we speak. We'll take a very short break, but when we come back, full tilt to the monetary policy coverage.